I'm always here. I enjoy the session. Many facts that yes, we all are facing, and I do believe this time was like the best time. I like the stages of COVID that you spoke about at the onset of the program, where yes, now is the stage of acceptance. We have already accepted, and the time for planning has begun, and that's why I found myself sitting here today with everybody. Okay, because my planning has begun, and yes, 2020, was definitely with a lot of plans in mind, and COVID gave it a pause. But like I called it a pause, yes, it is a pause. It wasn't a full stop.
Right.
So that was definitely cleared in my mind because being motivated within yourself is so important. Nobody else could motivate you more than that. We look forward to a coach who wakes us up, or shakes us up, or takes away our fears. But that's exactly why I was also here. That okay, some more fears left here and there because the COVID is still around us, and I knew Amar will get out those few fears here and there also. So that's exactly why I am here. But then yes, the planning has begun, guys, and I needed some action, some pathway, and I think I've got some good notes down, Amar, to work on it. So
You should
thank
work
you.
on it tomorrow itself.
Thank you.
Although wait on that, start working on it tomorrow itself.
Yes, I did realize, Amar, that when I partially started working on it, the mindset changes. You start feeling better. Like you said, why am I feeling healthy suddenly? It's definitely because we had a plan which was on a pause. The moment you start doing one step towards it, you start feeling good. And feeling good shows you results, definitely.
Yeah, so Amar, I've attended some of your courses and they're always great. And this one had some aha moments and some things that I've taken down for myself. Like it's like you know things, but you need somebody to give you that push. And I'm going to request you that when I do my planning and stuff, it's like a reminder that have you done it or something like that. Because after this, typically that happens is you forget and then you leave it. It's not that you don't know. It's not that you don't want to do. It's just that you get lost in the day-to-day things. So basically, yes, I would want that extra support from you just to keep. Then once you get on the track, it's fine. So this training or workshop is like a push that I think we all need in current COVID times. And everybody is going through a lot, cannot express. So this would be a great thing to put down on paper and remind yourself that everything is not lost and you can still be on the path. Like what Jennifer said, it's a pause, it's not a full stop. So
You are a great motivator. Your session today has sort of given me a push, and I'll work towards making a plan and not just making a
Sure. Thanks for a lovely session, Amar. Many years ago, I learned the concept was out of sight, out of mind. But in the daily hustle and routine, it was somewhere lost. So now it's kind of a revision where you have really given an idea about seeds which have been taken down. So this will not be out of sight, because the moment it is out of sight, you lose track.
Yeah.
And I specifically liked about the affirmation part, the subconscious mind. So small successes, small things, if you do a pat on the back, it brings out that good feeling. So I'll do more often of those things, and at least I have a whiteboard marker at home, but I never use it. But I'll put things down, and so it does not go off the mind. But thanks for this, and it's really, really helpful.
Now, regarding your workshop, it was wonderful because it has helped me, it has reassured my thought process during this lockdown. And even I have experimented with my skills, and I started a few things newly during this lockdown. And today, when I heard about it, I really felt very great. So, overall, it was a boost, and thank you so much.
I keep hearing it from the, keep hearing and keep reading about the goal setting concept and what are the things you need to do for that. and again it re-energized my goal setting again.
One of my first sessions with you, and it was really refreshing. Actually, having gone through a lot of books and kind of seminars, all your points were somewhere in the cortex part of the brain, and surely this session has triggered those points to come out and start thinking in a new way, as they call it, as a new normal, what is going to happen in future as well. So maybe to apply all these kind of points and to follow what you have told will be surely in our mind to look into it. And I look forward for a next session as well.
Sure. Yeah.
Hi, Amar.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm cooking. I'm doing multitasking right now.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. It was a wonderful session. I joined by 6 o'clock, so I missed the initial part when you were talking about COVID, but I could guess it from the discussions and all. It was such a wonderful refresh. I had done goal setting earlier, but we people tend to, procrastinate as we discussed, and think I can do it, always do it later. But it was a wonderful collation of the way you had, that life circle which you had created. Just doing that will give a lot of clarity and focus as to what we want to do in each areas of our life. And I'm looking forward to doing it and sending it through your email.
Yeah.
And hopefully it will be coming to you very soon.
Yeah, and I would encourage whoever wants to share theirs, okay, please do. And if you have any doubts, you can always write to me. I'm on WhatsApp, I'm on email, and I would be happy to help you out.
Yes.
Do that. Great.
Thanks for. I'm really grateful you took this effort to reach out to people, Amar. Really wonderful gesture from your side. Firstly, it was a free workshop. I would jump to it because I've seen you along with my daughter in the mind mapping, and she still loves you, and we keep doing little bit stuff here and there. I will share that also to you soon, hopefully. But it was a pleasure connecting with you again, sir.
Amar, it's been a real pleasure again coming back. I think I know you since last 15, 17 years, I should say, and I still remember the first day when I met you. Your mentorship and the way you the kind of energy that you brought in the session is very good, and I was a big factor because I'm right now need to take a decision in life to where I need to go. Because it's coming into a stage of, should I look at job transformation right now? Should I move in from one role to the other role? So, a dilemma I've been in today, and session has actually shown a process of how can I structure my own thoughts, because I am in that, and this really helped me. You contacted me, that was like God gifted. It was some destiny or whatever, because it happened. I know I wasn't destined to be here for this session, but it was very inspiring, and I am looking forward to completing your goal sheet, what you've actually shown us. Concepts that you've told us, it's good for us as well. Implement in our daily life, I must say.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.